Miss Sophisticated Boss Lady. Like, that is what this one is giving me. So this is the texture of the hair after I washed it. I let it air dry. I sat it on my mannequin head here for a few days. And so you can see she still has those loose waves in her. And this is the front. Hold on. This is the front with the bangs and everything. So yeah, that's how she's looking. Nice and clean. So now I'm just going to put her on and style her. And I'll be back at the end. Moment, thoughts of you run through my head. Every time that I'm near you, I realize that you're heaven sent, baby. I think you're truly something special. Just what my dreams are really made of. Let's stay together, you and me, boy. There's no one like you around, baby. I really like what you've done to me. I can't really explain it. I'm so into you. I really like what you've done to me. Okay, so we are back. I'm all finished styling this unit that was sent over from LuvMe Hair, and this is the final look. How are we feeling it? What do we think of it? Let me know down in the comments your thoughts. For now, we're going to go ahead and get into all of my thoughts on the unit. Starting out with, is she big head friendly? Yes. She's like, you know, a little snug when you first put it on, but now she's fitting comfortably. I think that if you have a larger head like I do, mine is 23 inches, that you should be good to go. I'm not sure if they have like a small, medium, or large cap size option on the website. So if they do, you know, just go for a large if
if that's what you need. And of course, if you have a small or medium-sized head, great, you'll have no problems at all. I do feel like this is a good beginner-friendly unit as well, because you don't have to worry about cutting lace. You don't have to worry about a parting space and trying to make it look natural. You just pretty much like plop it on. I did have to trim the bangs a little bit because just to get them how I like them. I like my bangs really long, like almost touching my eyelashes, so I had to fix those up a little bit. I did wash and curl the hair. So as long as you're good with doing like basic little things like that, I think this unit is very beginner friendly and easier than like a frontal or a lace front or anything like that, because like I said, you don't have to worry about that parting space. She is a silky texture, a natural luster, and a natural density. Overall, I think she is very cute. I think she's a great everyday wig. She's perfect for like the corporate woman, you know, going to the office, going to work. Okay, Miss Sophisticated Boss Lady, like that is what this one is giving me. I love the length of her because I've been feeling mid-length units lately. So this one I believe is 14 inches. Love the length. She curled really, really nicely too. I did not receive any shedding or tangles from this unit, even when I was washing her. You know, just so easy to comb through and to style. But I'm not surprised because it's from LuvMe Hair. They have a great reputation, great quality hair, and excellent customer service. So if you have never ordered from them before, then you don't have to be nervous. You can go ahead and check out that link for this unit in the description box below, because they never disappoint and they have a lot of variety on their website as well. So maybe this isn't your thing, but you might see something else that you really like. I'm gonna be honest, bangs are not my favorite on me. Like, I really don't do them often. So I was like, you know what, let me try something a little different and go for the bang unit this time, and I'm satisfied. I'm a happy camper in this unit. Let me know what you think about this one down in the comment section below. Is this your thing? Is this your style or not? As I mentioned, the exact link for this unit will be in the description box below, so go ahead and check it out. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like it, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Of course, I would like to hear your comments as well, so please go ahead and drop them down below for me. I love talking back to you all. I would once again like to thank LuvMe Hair for sending over this unit to me for review. And of course, I would like to thank you for watching, for engaging with my content and supporting my channel. It means so much to me. And I will catch all of you later.